Hello. Hey, I thought I would make a quick video of a solution I came up with to put a rear bike rack on the Aventon Ramblas. It's a relatively new mountain bike, e-mountain bike that they came out with this year. Really loving this bike, but options for putting a rear bike rack on there seem to be limited. I searched all over on the internet and didn't find much. There's one that Aventon recommends, but it was out of stock and a little pricey. It was like 70 something bucks. So I looked on Amazon and came up with a solution. There are two holes right on the inside of here and on the other side that you can attach. It's a 5 mil metric M5 screw, and this rack was available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments. And to attach the front, besides this part here, I used a 31 millimeter quick clamp for our Seatpost clamp. I bought a 2-pack, one of these from Amazon, and you need to remove the dropper post, and that may be a little bit of a trick. In order to do that, you disconnect. You don't have to disconnect the cable, but you just have to disconnect right here this screw to loosen that. And then this has to be fed inside here to provide slack for when you loosen the lower bolt and pull this up and just get it enough clearance that you can put this on without the screw in the way. So there's enough room for the cable to slide through this little gap. And then when you put it back on again, you can sandwich the two pieces of the rack that comes in. That can get sandwiched in there on each side and then tightened down. One trick, there is a little bit of a ridge on the inside of this that you can file off to make it smooth, because there's one side that has like a little bit of a raised ridge on it, so that can get removed. What you do have to take the wheel off, and that's pretty simple. Put it in the highest gear or the smallest sprocket. Then this can get pushed forward. There's a little button right down here that'll lock it in place. I don't know if I can do it with my thing, but you can see my button. Can't do it with one hand with the camera, but you get the idea. That'll provide a little bit more slack for when you pull this out. There's just one axle bolt that needs to get taken out, and then the whole thing will drop out. You can either turn the bike upside down, or if you have a bike rack, a bike repair post, I guess, you can do it upright. But I did mine upside down. Anyway, this is a pretty well designed bike rack, and it seems like it's a good idea, a possible way to get a rack installed on this Aventon when there didn't seem to be very many options. You just have to make sure you have one that has this round holes at the bottom, so you can screw into each side and use that 5 millimeter pre-drilled hole and threaded. Good luck.